Pranav Kulkarni, I'll admit. So I think if I start sharing my screen, I think it may be problem. Vikram Chakravarti. So be in time here. I think by this time it should be. Don't make it too late. I think some 42 are there. Shall we continue or again? What is this thing? I think if the others are coming, I can't able to admit them because the moment I start sharing, so it is very difficult for me to go back and then allow them admit. Okay, shall we start? Amit, shall we start? Abhishek Naidu, Chandran Pai,
Yes,
shall
sir.
we
Yes,
start?
sir.
Okay, I'll start sharing them. Okay, so I'll not be able to this thing. Okay, yeah, I'll just share that. Share desktop. Hope please let me know. Okay, the moment it is started recording. Okay, so I'll share that. And where we are, we were. I think that I will just show. Just hold on. I think that notepad it was not open. It will take some time. Okay, but you can able to do that calculation. Arre baap re. I think has happened. 1 second. One note, some problem showing. One second. I don't know whether it is there or not. I may have to start from, I think that was there actually. That was there actually. I think somebody. Okay, just wait. Just wait. I think desktop. I don't know where that note curd beam. It was in attendance. No, it is not there. Just 1 second. I think there I had to just 1 second. Academics MD2 and chapter wise material attainment lesson plan QP quiz syllabus chapter wise material I believe curd beam. Yeah, no, I think it is not there in this also. Then where it has gone? It has gone OneDrive, maybe OneDrive. I don't know where that this thing is. I think I stored that. I could not able to retrieve. That is the problem. Just 1 second. Hold on. So this all mess up material handling, NPTEL, picture research, spice, comprehensive. No, it's not there in this. So I think, sorry, I am unable to locate that. 1 second, I'll minimize my screen. Others, temporary files, temporary file, whether it is there in this, I don't know. It is not there. Okay, anyway, I'll open this one only. If I get well, otherwise I may have to just 1 second. So people are still pouring. I think 1 second. Somebody still admit all. Okay, I'll not admit. I think henceforth I am admitting them. So henceforth I'll not admit. I am sharing my screen. So we will continue with this. I don't know where it is. 1, 2, 3. No, it's not in 1, 2, 3. Swan. It is also not in this. 1 second. I think I'll not admit. I'm getting a pop-up this thing. Sorry, I can't admit. Done. Anybody can tell me. I think I am unable to retrieve that. Whatever that this thing is there. So we will continue. I can't able to show that where we stopped. Okay. So screen is audible. Someone of you can able to tell me screen is audible. Screen.
Yes, sir.
Screen you can able to send voice is also audible. Fine, fine. We'll continue with that. We'll continue with that. So I'll just erase this and then I'll continue with this. So anybody tell me that whatever that FD equation we have, FD equal to Fi plus Ft we have, and Fi, what equation we had? Anybody? Fi equal to, anybody can tell me what is that Fi equal to? Quickly, quickly. One of you just
K3V
K3V
V into
uh,
CB
CB
CB plus FT plus
plus
FT.
plus Ft. This is bracket, right? Divided
Yes, sir.
by K3V
K3V plus
plus plus root of CB
plus
plus
FT.
Ft. Okay, so this was the equation, and I told you to calculate all the values. Okay, 1 second. Don't know what happened. 1 second. Yeah, should be able to see this. So this was the expression. Okay, this was the expression, right? So just look into. So what is the value of K3? So I'll write here only. I'll write here only. Okay, draw. I'll take this. I'll take this. What is the value of K3? Anybody?
20.67.
20.67. That is for your SI unit conversion. I told that. And what is V? V is
14.07.
1 second. 1 second. V equal to 14.07
07.
meter per second. How did you get this? This is pi dn pi d1 n1 upon 1000 into 60. So remember why n1, why d1? Because Pinion is our design criteria. In that context, you have to substitute d1. I think that also I told d1 earlier. You had a module 3 for which it was not safe. We have altered that module to 4 millimeter. From that 4 millimeter, you should take the what is that? You should take the find out the diameter d1, and then that d1 you should reconsider here. And n1 also it is already given, and again it has to be in rpm. D1 should be in terms of millimeter, and you will get units in meters per second. Okay, so then what is the next value? I think I can't go down and then look into what is again. C is there. So for C, anybody can help me? What is the equation? I told you to refer this expression. C value, anybody? Quickly.
E by,
Huh?
so E divided by K1 into 1 by E1 plus 1 by E2.
One sec. 1 upon E1 plus 1
1
upon
upon
E2.
E2. Sir,
Correct?
K1 into brackets. Sir.
K1 into. So that's what I do remember. I do remember. Just because I wanted your attention, and then again others also parallelly look into. Please keep your data book, calculator, and other things, and then you can start doing that. Okay. So please let me know what is the value of E you have taken. I told figure number something 12.5. No,
Sir,
12.5.
12.5.
12.5 page number. Quickly, somebody help me.
205.
Yeah, 205. So you have got two figures there actually on the this thing, not 205.
09.
That 209.
209.
Yeah, 209 figures. You have 12.5 and 12.4. So you have to refer 12.5 because pitch that whatever that permissible error, we know the pitch line velocity. Depending upon that, we find out the permissible error. Suppose we know the application, precisely application, and then again the velocity is not known. Module is of course, if it is known, you can take what will be the probable error. That is tentative probable error. It may be depending upon class 1, class 2, class 3. Don't refer that 12.4. Okay, some assignment problem I'll give you. That time you can just go through and then we will debate upon. So in this particularly, you refer 12.5 for 14 point something velocity. So that tentative permissible error is 0.03. Okay, I'll repeat. It is 0.03 from looking into the graph. Okay, it is 0.03. Is it right? Roughly. Someone of you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is K1? What is K1? Please, you have to hurry up. So I want to 1 second. one.
9.345. 9.345.
Okay, it is a small k. Just go through that small k. Okay, 9.435 because it is actually profile for 14 and 435. No, 9.435. So it is
345.
345, sir.
one sec. Thank you. I think so. Rub, draw, and then this, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for 14.5 degree this value, and for 20 degree you have different. Since the given this thing profile is 14.5 degree, you need to take this. Okay, and again E1 and E2 I told actually, so you can take somewhere. What was that I told anybody? So E1 I told
207
207 gigapascal.
GPa.
Okay, so this is equal to 207 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square or megapascal only. I told this. I think this also I discussed in the last class. Okay, here we stop if I'm right. So this is megapascal. So megapascal is nothing but Newton per millimeter square only. This I have shown already. So you have to take this. Why I have taken both? Because both materials he has told in the problem, they are of the same material having the sigma d value 105. Under that consideration, I have taken E1 equal to E2. What else you have to take? Nothing. If you do that, I think somebody has told already that you have calculated. Please let me know. Please let me know what is the value of C. Hello.
60.411.
60.41.
0.411.
Is it correct? 60.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just check. I don't have the value. Because I don't have the value, we will go according to that. Okay, C value is 60.411, that he is telling. So what else we want other than that? In this we also want FT, we want, and B also we want. Okay, so FT, how to calculate FT? So B is quite simple. I will just show how to take B first, and then we will go that. So B is actually K into M. Okay, K into, because K equal to B by M. So what is the value we have taken? 10 we have taken, no? You take 10 arbitrarily. Take 10 and then 4. So this is a 40. Remember, units are millimeter. So B is basically face width of that gear. Okay, so this is actually B. Okay, so if you just look into this, so this particular value is B. Okay, that is small b, face width of the gear. And FT, how do you calculate FT? I just quickly scribble. Okay, and then please don't listen like a harikatha. Along with me, you also copy that. Okay, so FT, how do you get FT? I told this. So how is that? Power equal to 2 pi nt divided by 1000 into 60. So this is actually MT, torque. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Now you are.
Okay, fine. I think one chat is there. I'll just check who has chatted. One chat is there. 1 second. Okay, I am getting. Okay, fine. Okay, three. C. I think Naveen Ugar has told C 332.26. Others, you have not done that. Others, you have not.
332, sir.
It's
332.
332.26.
2.26, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why you
332.
are not telling? Why you are not telling? Why don't chat, yaar? Unmute. Because I can't see that accidentally. So I think who told this? It is wrong actually. 330. That is what 331.41. Na?
332.26.
332.26.
2.26, sir.
332.6.
26.
26. 332 point. Please So the C value, I think somebody told 60, it is wrong. Probably he might have not taken the units properly. Okay, and is it okay? I think if more than 2-3 people are getting same value means you are correct. It should come actually more than 200, 300 only. It cannot be less than 100. Remember that. If you can able to see that book also, it will not be smaller one. Okay. Somebody muted anything you would like to clarify? If nothing, you can. Hello. Please mute. If nothing you want to clarify. Who is this? Please mute. Yeah. Please mute. If you want to ask, please ask. Otherwise, you mute. Who is that? Please mute. Yeah. I think somebody has joined. Gaonkar has joined a bit late. Anyway, I'll just go to that. So this is what is it. Okay. So what is this empty? Anybody? Please, the moment I ask, voluntarily you mute, tell, and then unmute. Please don't bring that because it is a lot of noise will come. For others also, it is a problem. So what is the value of this FT? Anybody?
59.68.
1 second. What is empty first? What is empty first? You tell. I think that is better. What is empty? What is the value?
59.68 into 10 power 3.
59.68
into 10 power 3.
Newton mm. Why 10 to the power 3? Because whatever you calculate empty, it will be in terms of meters. In order to convert that meter into millimeter, you have to multiply by 1000. That is 10 to the power 3. That is Newton millimeter. Okay. So I think hope others also got this same value. Some 3 to 4 people, if you get that, you can able to. Okay. So others also you got this.
Yes, sir.
You got this. Okay, fine. So what is FT? Yeah, what is FT then? I think if anybody got other than this, please unmute yourself. So I encourage. So what is this FT?
1065.
1065.
71.
71. Okay, 71 newtons. Units are newtons. Okay, so you just substitute this and then find the value of what is that whole? What is that? Fi. Okay, Fi you have to find out now. After finding this, you have to find out Fi. Okay, I'll just, so hope you can able to do that. Fi. So I just scroll down. I'll not write once again the expression. I'll just show that. So this is the value of Fi. K3 you know, V you know, C we have calculated, B I showed, Ft also we have calculated. Simply you have to substitute this particular equation and then get the value. So you use this expression. Okay, and then get the value. Anybody? I'll write here only so that you can able to. Please do that voluntarily. Take a calculator, take a data book, take the value. Please jot down. Don't listen like a harikatha. Okay, you have to do that. Please, quickly.
10161.30.
One fellow. Yeah, you tell last. Who is that?
167.30.
167.3. I'll write only this much. Okay. So what are the units? Anybody? What are the units? Exactly. It is Newton. Okay. Others also got this one only.
Yes, sir.
Others also got. It is 1016.3. 30 he told. Okay. 30 or 3. Okay. 10167.3. Then you just check the next, I think. So I'll just so Fi I'll write here. I'll write here. 1 second. I'll write here 10167. Please. Hello.
Yes, sir.
10167.3. This is Fi. So FD equal to FT. FT is how much? Please.
105.
FT here. 1065. 1065. No? 106. No.
Yes, sir. 105.7, sir.
1 second.
105.7.
Okay, 65.7. Okay, plus this value. Okay, so whatever, I'll just write it in the bracket. You just add. So this has to be what? This has to be what? Less than or equal to
Fs.
one second. I think that I have not told. So I think some people at least they are following. So Ft plus Fi should be less than or equal to Fs. Fs equal to that you have to calculate. So Fd, first you tell me what is the value of Fd?
Sir, 11.233 kilonewton.
11.2, good, very good. So all the time you keep like this so that it is easy. 11.233 kilonewton. K should be smaller. So what is Fs? What is Fs? Look into that. What is Fs? What is Fs? Fs equal to
Sigma
Fs.
D
Sigma D into B.
One second. Where is that? Where is that expression? Dynamic load. Dynamic load. Page number. Can anybody tell me? Help me out. Fs
208 page.
208.
208. So equation number
12.16.
12.16. 12. Yeah. Sigma D BYM. Okay. Exactly. I think. Thank you. Thank you. So Fs is sigma D B capital Y into M. So this has to be greater than or equal to Fd. So otherwise that Fd should be less than. Okay. So sigma D is what value?
5, sir.
105 into 40 into Y is what? Again, Y is pi into Y. Okay. This Y is pi into small y. Pi into small y of pinion. So value, anybody? Anybody quickly? You have done that already.
0.312 pi.
And again remember probably
0.313.
yeah, 0.312
pi.
25.
3.
Okay. 25 or 23, please. Okay, into 4. Please check that again. You suppose if any this thing D or some these things are there, you have to take latest value, not the old value. Whatever, wherever it is safe, no, from that particular value you have to take. So what is this all equal to? Anybody quickly? What is this all equal to? This equal to
5250.
5250. Only this much?
Yes, sir, Newton.
Yes, sir. Newton.
So I think, is it greater or less Fs?
Less, sir, less.
Then
Fs is less, sir.
then what has to be done? What has to be done? What has to be done?
Changing
What has
sigma
to be done? So it is less than sigma D. Hence, right? Hence, not safe. Then what has to be done? Don't go for changing the module directly. Don't go for changing the module directly. What I told you, go for changing the value of K. K you had taken. K equal to 10 you had taken. Now you take K equal to directly 12.5 and substitute that and then find out the particular value. Again, why K value? Because K is equal to B equal to K by B equal to, I think I'll just show that why I told K, because B equal to K into M. Okay. So M, let it be 4 mm only. So M is 4 mm only. Okay, M is 4 mm only. So K 12.5, what is the value? Earlier it was 40, now how much it is? 50, around 50 or 52? Anybody?
50,
Hello?
sir.
50, sir, 50.
50 mm. For that, is it safe? For that, is it safe? Just check.
No, sir.
Then what
No,
has
sir. Still less.
now what has to be done? Next, quickly.
Module.
This is called, yeah, that is the only alternative. You have to change the module. So after 4, what is the standard available? Standard available probably in the data book it may be 6, if I am right. No, 5 is there. Yeah, just check. Some of you check for 5 module, some of you check for 6 module. So for checking means, again, please note down. I'll just listen carefully. First, checking means now when you take M equal to 5, Okay, your B will also change. B, why changes? Because module earlier you had taken 4, but now the B, I think mm 5 mm, sorry, 5 when you take 5, so this also has to be changed. So B will also change accordingly. Only B will change, rest all things will not change, because that is the only value. Okay, that module will be changing and B will also be changing in this. Sigma D remains as it is, K also remains as it is. Okay, so quickly tell me, some of you can take 5 mm, some of you can take 6 millimeter, both are there, whether it is safe or not. Please quickly. Quickly, I'll hope it is clear what I told. Hope it is clear. Rangoli, Rohan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it
B is
clear?
equal to. Yes, sir.
Allah, what I told for 4 that for 5 millimeter, for module equal to 5 millimeter, what is the value of B, and ultimately what is the value of Fs? Is it greater or smaller? That you have to tell. One set of people. Another set of people, what you do, you take M equal to 6. This is just in the class I am telling. Suppose if it is not safe, again what you have to do, you have to reiterate for 6 millimeter, and B you take 12.5 only. Don't take 10 again. You take 12.5 only. For 5 millimeter module, you take B equal to that 12.5 times K value. You take 12.5 only. Again, don't sub-iterate. Quickly do. Another 5 minutes. We will end up the session. 5-10 minutes.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I think y value is wrong, sir. I think
Why?
it's
1
pi
second.
into y.
I told pi into y only.
No, sir. Y value is for
I
pillion.
told,
It's 0.0.
no, I told here and then ask you to. Somebody has done this mistake. You are right.
It's yes, sir. I got it's
Then,
0.099, sir.
then you only told Baba. I told no. You should be aware. I don't have the answer. I am just solving. I think somebody. I'll take other color. So this is the problem. What is that point?
0.995, sir. For
The value
pillion.
is 0.9, sir.
No, is it
Sir,
a
he
total?
didn't multiplied by pi, sir. It's small y, sir.
Small y into pi is capital Y only. No, that's what I told. Why you
No,
are
sir.
not concentrating?
I,
Yeah, speak up. Speak up.
sir, I was
Is
selling
it?
I was selling only the small y value, sir. So I got
No,
confused.
why you are confusing? That means you are not attentive. I told, no, is it not? I told here, just see here that blue color I have circled. You just see pi into y I have written, no. So that also I have shown here. Just see the line I have shown here. I have shown the line also. No, for capital Y is what, like,
Yes,
why
sir.
you are
Yes, sir.
doing?
Yes.
Why you are, that shows you are not concentrative in the class. Okay,
No, sir.
let me know.
Sir.
No, what is the
It's
value
fine.
ultimately? What is the value ultimately? Is it 5250 or something else? Hello?
5250 only, sir.
Huh?
It's correct, sir. It's correct,
Correct,
sir.
sir. Correct, sir.
Then why?
Points given is correct.
Then why you are again this thing confusing, Baba? Why you are confusing?
Sorry, sir.
Okay,
It was
done.
a mistake.
Okay, done. Okay, no issue, no issue. Be attentive, be attentive, be attentive. Okay. So for 5 millimeter module, what is the this thing? FS value? Anybody can help me out? Please, whatever you are telling, I'm writing that
It
answer for this.
satisfies.
Pardon? Fantastic. Somebody told it is satisfied for 5 millimeter. What is
Not
B
5.
value for 12?
No, sir, not for 5, sir.
6
See,
is satisfied.
one second. Talk one by one. For 5 millimeter, what is the value? FS. You
So
tell me.
10.25 kilonewton.
10 point.
25 kilonewton.
Fantastic. Others also got this. Those who are done with 5 millimeter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Just 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Anyway, 25 kilonewton, that is what he has told, 10.25, which is less than this F. F. 1 second. And all problem up either. 1 second, 1 second. Just hold on. Just hold on. Eraser. Again draw. 1 second. It is FD. It is less than FD. Again, for not safe, you had to write those I have done not safe. You write not safe. For what? M equal to 5 millimeter. You get this. FS is less than FD. Hence, it is not safe. Again, for M equal to 6, what is this thing? FS
11.8.
11 point.
Sir, 14.76.
14.76.
14.76.
11 ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 14.76 which is greater than f I'll write greater than f d, hence safe. Okay, so you understood now what is meant by iteration, and bahal cautious. You have to do with a lot of cautious in the sense which particular value has to be changed. You should be very much careful. Then only you can do accordingly. Now it is clear. Anybody? I'll just pause here. Anybody still has any doubt or any clarification? Please let me know. After that, there is one more step in the same. That is F endurance. You have to calculate once again, and for that again a table and all I have given clearly. So I think this class session I will share you as through the YouTube video. So please plug the earphone and then listen carefully and try to do on your own. Any query, any questions, please don't hesitate. You are most welcome to ask for. Okay, so can you able to do the next step, and then again dynamic there's wear load also? Can you, all of you, can you able to do that? We will discuss tomorrow. Anyway, I have the class. We will discuss because it's already, I told 1:10 I will stop. In that context, unnecessarily I don't want to prolong, because 2:30, I think 3:30 you also need some break. So I will not be engaging afternoon class, because there is some Tata Technologies elective, some inauguration is there. That is what Professor Shivannaur has told me. Okay, so in that context, I have advanced my class timing today, but tomorrow it will be as usual. This class, whatever today's lecture, I will post it in a YouTube. Those who cannot able to attend the class, they can watch that. Those who have attended and still any doubts also can listen and then get back to me tomorrow. I will just pause here and stop here. What is the assignment? You have to continue this problem, look into the steps, and then try to solve till wear load. You have to complete this. So tomorrow I will do half solve one more problem and end this particular section of spur gear. I'll just stop here. So anybody having any questions? If no questions are there, I'll just stop here. Please, anybody having? Yeah, please.
Sir, this problem, it took us a lot of iterations to arrive to a solution.
That
right?
is what in the examination, listen, in examination it will not be like that. If at all it will be there, it will be for 20 mark a question, one question. Remember that. And again, you have to do lot of practice, lot of looking into the data book. Most of the time, what is this thing? You will get a panic once it starts iterating. You will get a panic because the lack of your this thing. I am preparing for the worst condition. Remember that. Worst condition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಅತಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇನಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. Now it is clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, anybody else, any other query? So this problem I have taken because all your doubts in one single problem, it will be cleared. Under that circumstance, I have taken this mock problem. In examination, remember, if at all there are iterations, there is only 1 or 2 iterations. And remember, since you were doing first, you felt very time consuming. Otherwise, it is quite simple. It is quite cakewalk only. So only thing, your lot of interest and know about the data book is very essential. So with this, if there are no questions, I will stop doing the record. Anybody, please, anybody, I'll stop recording. Okay, I'll stop.